Jetfire's gift has given me strength greater than I have ever known.
We'll be needing it. If the Fallen finds the Harvester and uses it on the Earth's sun, the planet will be destroyed.
Then I guess we better find the machine first.
As this war continues, we must be more careful. We're getting cut to metal shreds out there.
We're winning!
At this rate, the wear and tear is what's going to destroy us, not the Decepticons.
A massive power surge indicates a disturbance in Cairo. Perhaps this is the Harvester we seek.
Crisis averted. The Devastator is destroyed.
Dangerous as he was, we've still yet to discover the Fallen.
Or the Harvester he searches for. The threat to Earth is far from over.
We are missing too many opportunities in battle. We cannot let the Decepticons get the upper hand.
A space bridge has just opened above the Great Pyramid. Our enemy, the Fallen, has arrived.
Revenge is mine!
Not if I have anything to say and or do about it.
Who dares challenge the Fallen?
That's it, you see it? On camera, that's the first. Now you gotta shut that down. Which is gonna be hard, I know, because there's a Decepticon there, you got little school buses. Ah!
Megatron! Optimus has deactivated the Harvester. The planet survives.
No matter, Starscream. Soon the humans will feel my wrath. The time has come. I will unleash the only force worthy of my trust. An army born to serve us. Legions enslaved from creation. To answer only to my command. Arise, my children. Yes! Your time has come! Arise!
The ancients are avenged. The brother who betrayed them is no more.
And yet, Megatron remains.
Not on Earth, at least. My telemetry indicates our nemesis is now aboard a Decepticon transport in a distant galaxy.
Through your efforts, Autobots, the human race and our own have prevailed. Ironhide, Bumblebee, Ratchet, Breakaway. I salute you all. Our planets, our races, united by a history long forgotten, yet still to be discovered. I am Optimus Prime, and I send this message so that our paths will be remembered, always. For in those memories, we live on.
Man, look at that sun. Can you feel it tingling on your skin? It's cool, isn't it?
We are built differently. I find the sun's rays rather warm.
Oh yeah, no, that's what I'm... You know what, never mind. It's cool, it's extremely cool, trust me.
I always have, Sam. And I always will.